In this episode, I'm going to be decorating a tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now in today's episode, I am doing a Mardi Gras Tablescape. So let me know what you think down below. Here is my Mardi Gras table for 2023. I tried to do it as simple and keep up with the traditional colors, which are purple, green, and gold. Now everything on this table, from the pillow covers and the chairs, to every dish and every bead was already in my stash. Now I'm trying to do as many no spins as I can this year, and so far I've been doing pretty good. So let's start here. Each place setting is the same. And they all have this gold plasmat that I picked up from Walmart. And then we have the purple chargers. I love those purple chargers. They came from Favor Mart. And I have this gold plate that I DIY'd. Then I have this purple napkin. The napkin came from eBay. I ordered from someone on there. The napkin rings, I've had those for years. Those were purchased on eBay back in, I think it was 2016. That's how long I've had those. And then I added a DIY gold plate that I made with glitter and Mod Podge. And then here is a plate with the mask on top. Now I found that mask online and I downloaded it and I sent someone to make it for me, and she did a really wonderful job. Also accompanies this is the green stemware that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So each setting is the same. I think they came out really, really pretty. Now the table runner came from Amazon. I've had it for a couple of years. I'll look and see if they still have it, and I will attach it down below. The green mask, they came from the 99-cent own store a few years back. That was part of a Christmas tree ornament set they had up. The beads were thrifted and purchased at the Dollar Tree over the years. The black lanterns, I have a set of 2. I found them on Walmart.com. The purple mask came from the Dollar Tree, as well as the gold mask came from the Dollar Tree. And then the Mardi Gras style pattern mask, that came from the Dollar Tree as well. Now for this big, beautiful bowl or tray, as you want to say, that's purple and gold. I thrifted this. When I saw it, I thought it was so pretty I couldn't leave it in Goodwill. So I purchased it and brought it home and said I'll use it one day. Well, here it is on my centerpiece. Now I'm going to give you an overall look. I really like how it turned out this year. Very pretty, very elegant. Let me know what you think of my Mardi Gras Tablescape down below. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And also there will be a playlist down below of the other participants, so check them out and let them know Stephanie sent you. And as always, if you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.